Welcome to this latest edition of the Quiver Quickie. I'm Brian, joined today by Gio, who's at the Mall of Asia Arena. As you can see, I'm at home. And of course, we're going to briefly discuss about LaSalle, the Lady Spikers winning game one in a three-set encounter against NU. Wait, 1-0 lead sa finals, diba? 1-0 na. Gio, first thoughts. I mean, syempre, this is a quickie. That's the intention of that. First thoughts from that
Yeah, no,
uh, game.
no. It was the only game I came in a little bit nervous because well, number one, it's the finals, and number two, lots of questions about the 2 or 3 week break that the Lady Spikers had, and there's that level of nervousness, especially with what's happened in the past, the series against Ateneo, etc. Now, I think after the first set, I felt a little bit comfortable. There were some signs in the first set that NU was the sharper team, especially maybe in the first 8, 10 points. But over time, like the composure of LaSalle went back, and error wise, medyo similar naman yung both teams. I haven't seen the stat sheets, but like high level, looking at the scoreboard here, I can see that more or less it's close. But it just boiled down to better execution of plays. I thought Angel Canino had a fantastic game, obviously with 17 points. But more than that was the timing of her, the timing of her scoring. That's the most important part. Where there were times when we were trying to go up 2 points, 3 points, and she would score there. So those were great. Reterta played well. I thought Provido played very well, especially in the third set. Had great blocks. So grew into the game in the second and the third set. And the same with Giovanna Lapot. Grew into the game into the second and third set. Overall, a very assured, strong performance by the Lady Spikers. And this is more than I could have asked for. I genuinely thought this might have gone 4 or 5 sets, especially with the form NU was in, especially with how close the last game was. But this time around, I guess in many ways, it also surprised me how confident the team was, how strong they were, and how they put NU away. So what a performance by the Lady Spikers.
Yeah, just to add to that, grabe no, kasi at some point of set one, NU was taking it to Lasal, probably trying to get themselves going kasi nakalaro na sila ng weekend eh. Unlike Lasal na they want to catch Lasal off guard initially. And then what happened is Lasal, alam mo yun, we were down 15-19 ata eh, or 14, something like that, 15-19 or 14-19 in the first set, and
First
then
set, yeah.
tinrabaho talaga to come back. Yeah, tinrabaho talaga siya to come back. And sabi ko nga sa GC natin, even before that, it was looking like NU was going to be difficult to beat in the first set kasi ang ano eh, parang talagang pulido yung approach nila. But then when the errors also happened from their side, and LaSalle did not waste those chances, made the most of that, and also strung up a few attacks of their own, and doon lumabas yung ano eh, yung experience. Kaya kahit talo tayo last season sa finals, parang to me, nag-benefit sila doon. And ngayon, nagko-culminate yung ganong experiences. And yeah, it's just valiant effort, and yung team nung three sets, even if let's say, pag sinabi natin straight sets, diba, ang ganda pakinggan. Yung team nung three sets was that it was anything but, even if 25-18 yung last two sets. Kasi I think dikit siya eh. It just so happened that, at least ang impression ko, and we can talk about this more in our main episode when we post that, is that parang nanghinayang yung NU the way they lost the first set, and nadala
Yeah,
nila yun
yeah.
into the second and third set.
Yeah, I
So
was
that,
gonna
di ba,
say that.
parang, yun,
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
na parang ano sila, um, they got flustered by the way they lost the first set. I mean, may mga games eh, parang yung pagkatalo nila sa UST ng first set nung weekend, they weren't flustered how they lost that, but this time around they were. And yeah, yeah, I guess yun eh, like psychology. Lasal still beat NU in my book, pero somewhat I think also NU kind of helped Lasal getting there. Not to discredit the girls, of course. I mean, the girls will just do what they can, but it looked to me like uh, parang it fell into the Lady Spikers' hands today.
No, I also want to add that I felt that the Lady Spikers were a lot more, I guess for the lack of a better term, cold blooded and clinical. Like it was. they had to, the times that they had to put it away, they did it. The times they had to catch up and shift the lead one by one, they did it. And the times, and I really thought that the leadership of both of Shabana Lapot and of course Canino during those crucial stages were important. Um, and it was, they were very focused, and I guess that's what I sensed here on, at least in the more arena, that the lead, parang in their minds, no lead was too big. Meaning, oh yeah, sure, we're up 19, whatever. We're down 5 points, 4 points, whatever. But the game isn't over. But it's also the opposite, right? When we were up big, parang hindi, we gotta push hard, and that's evident in the third set,
Mm,
right? Na
yeah.
where the Green Archer, where the Lady Spikers won by a very very comfortable margin. So hence, therefore, like those are one of the things that I think is good, and that's exactly what we want to see coming from a very long layoff, right? A performance as cold blooded, as clinical as that. I think, for the lack of a better term, right? Like it's almost like remembering those old team Lasal teams na talagang malakas and alam mong they can beat anyone eh. And this was a fantastic performance. We're very very proud of the Lady Spikers here.
All right, well said. So, isa na lang tanong ko sa'yo, Gio, before we end this quickie. Saan ka kakain? Because you still have enough time, I guess. I don't know what your plans are. But you don't have to answer me doon. It's a
No,
rhetorical
no, no.
question I threw it. 'Cause-
No. What kind of happened was, so before the game, I went to a restaurant and in-upsell nila ako. I wanted the small size, yung lunch portion. Sabi, hindi sir, regular na lang. Parang gutom kayo. Tapos, gutom na ako noon. Sabi ko, sige, upsize na ako. It was too big. As in, like, ang bigat talaga ng katawan ko. So, to answer your question, I'm not having dinner tonight. Like, I just ate way too much for lunch.
ah,
And a
Na-advance
relatively
mo na.
late lunch for that
Na-advance mo
matter.
siya.
So, yeah. But,
Alright,
but
so
very proud.
we're wishing the Lasal fans na masarap sana yung dinner nyo. Of course, the Lady Spikers too. Recovery is important, nutrition is important. So yeah, game 2 on Saturday, and of course, aside from this quickie, we'll also do a main episode. So keep your eyes out on that. So I always
Yeah.
say, Gio,
Animo Lasal.